Good morning, Francis Parker, school number 23. Today is Monday, June 14th, 2021. It is an A day. If you are sitting, please stand so we can prepare for the Pledge of Allegiance. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. And now let's say our powerful pledge. As members of the Francis Parker community, we will be at the top of our game. We will show compassion to those who need it. We will go for the best and not settle for less. We will be kind in what we say and do. We will show respect because we deserve respect. We will take responsibility for our actions and be a positive force in our community because we are the definition of excellence. Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you had an amazing, fun weekend. We don't have any birthdays to announce today, so I'm going to do extra shout outs because we have so many wonderful shout outs from your teachers that we need to share a lot. So I'm going to share right now. Here we go. From Miss Rothfuss's class, we have Raymond. Raymond is participating more in math and science, and his excitement shows. He is always willing to answer a question, even when he's not sure of the answer. Raymond is really good at observations and science and always has a good way of explaining what he is thinking. Thank you, Raymond. Raymond, way to go, buddy. That scientific brain is working. I'm so proud of you for working so hard when you're here on Monday, Tuesdays, and when you're remote. So thank you. Next up from Miss Hesford's class, we have Jackson for showing his work while solving subtraction problems. Wow, Jackson, you're a big kindergartner ready to go to first grade if you're subtracting numbers already. I am so proud of you. You keep up the great work. Next up from Miss Goldberg's room, we have Sydney. Sydney always participates during lessons and completes her work. She is an amazing student. Yes, I agree. Way to go, Sydney. Always getting your work done and participating. That's what helps make us grow as learners. So fabulous. Next up, also from Miss Goldberg, we have Declan. Declan worked super hard to complete his writing assignment about a time when his relatives came. I am proud of his efforts. Declan, way to go. I know writing can be so much fun, and it sounds like you found a really great topic. Next up from Mr. Ford, Miss Thetu, and Miss Q's room, we have Aiden for staying patient and working hard to get through a difficult Zoom lesson. Zern lesson. Oh my gosh, right there. Perseverance. Aiden, way to go. You kept going even when it was a little tough and challenging, and you succeeded. And that's what learning's all about, boys and girls. It's not always going to be easy, but we can't give up. You're so smart. You just got to take some extra time and work through it, and you can do it. So, Aiden, thank you so much for being a role model for that. Next up from Mr. Ford, Miss Thetu, and Miss Q's room, we have Makis for setting a personal goal to maintain perfect attendance. Makis does his best to log on every day with the materials he needs, and even when he changes learning locations. Makis, that's what I'm talking about. Ladies and gentlemen, we're trying to get perfect attendance here as a school. Makis, you are clearly a leader in that. Thank you for taking so much pride in your learning. Also from Mr. Ford, Miss Thetu, Miss Q, we have Makis, Melanie, Charlie, Jillian, Andrew, Sadie, Edwin, and Michael for completing their Wednesday choice boards. They are so proud of you for choosing 5 tasks to complete. 5. Wow. Some of you even entered the Name the Horse contest, and you're looking forward to finding out if a school number 23 scholar wins. Thank you for entering the contest and doing your best work. Way to go, ladies and gentlemen. I love that you put your name in for the Name the Horse contest. That is fabulous. But doing all those choice boards is so important because it gives you an opportunity to find the best way that you learn. So way to go. From Mr. Kunzer's room, we have Romeo for writing a great opinion essay about, you can guess, cats. I'm sure Mr. Kunzer was so proud of you for choosing cats. Romeo, way to go with your writing. From Miss Bonomo's room, we have Sean, Addie, Eliza, Molly, and Haya for always giving amazing feedback to their classmates during Writer's Workshop. Their feedback is thoughtful, specific, and really helps improve the writing of the classmates. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what I'm talking about. We should be helping each other learn, right? It doesn't always have to be teacher to student. You could be helping each other. And it sounds like we have some amazing citizens in Miss Bonomo's class that are working hard to improve their own writing, but also to improve the writing of their classmates. That's fabulous. Way to go, team. Also from Ms. Bonomo's room, we have Justice for working extra hard during the math NWEA test and raising her score 13 points. Oh my gosh, Justice, 13 points. That's amazing. What a great accomplishment, sweetie. Good job. You keep up the great work. From Ms. Gauger and Mr. Moulton, we have Hunter, Ethan, Savita, Taya, Jason, Raylan, and Addie for being prepared with their math materials when they transition. Oh my goodness, that is so important, ladies and gentlemen. When you have everything you need so you get to your learning right away. Way to be prepared. I'm proud of you all. And then last but not least for today, from Mr. Kunzer's room, we have Austin for being a problem solving and helping classmates with technology issues. Oh my goodness, Austin, it's so good to have someone like you around that can help when something's not going right with Zoom or Google Classroom or Seesaw or anything like that. So thank you for being so helpful and so knowledgeable about technology. We're so proud of you. To all of our shout outs today, amazing job. Now, I do have just a few fun, interesting facts to share with you today. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up for you. So here we go. Hold on one second, because of course, Miss Yarlett wasn't there. Here we go. Did you know that there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on Earth? Look at all those stars. That's not even all of them. That's just a little bit of the stars that are out there in space in the universe. And look at all that sand from one of our biggest deserts. It's still not as much as the stars. Every little itty bitty grain of sand there is not as many stars. Amazing. Now, what's our next one? Human teeth are just as strong as shark teeth. Did you know that? I didn't know that. Look at those crazy looking shark teeth. They look really pointy, but that doesn't matter that ours are a little more flat on the edges because it's still just as strong. So, oh my goodness, who knew we had something in common with sharks? Did you know that a polar bear's fur is actually transparent or see-through? But because of the way that those see-through strands of fur reflect light from the sun, they appear to be white. They're not actually white fur. It's clear fur, but the light makes it turn white. Oh my goodness. And look at that cute little baby. Such a cutie patootie. And finally, octopuses have, are you ready? 3 hearts, 9 brains, and they have blue blood. Whoa. Oh my gosh, I have to wrap my head around that. 3 hearts, 9 brains, and blue blood. Oh my goodness, that is fascinating. I hope you go home and share some of these facts with your families, because that is just super duper cool. There's a lot of amazing things in nature out there, isn't there? Thank you all so much and have a wonderful day.